Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss Microsoft Word, which is a word processing software. Here we understand basics of word processing. So let's start it. First of all, we will start an introduction to word processing. A word processor is a computer application that can be used to create, edit, format, store, and print documents. All word processors come with a plenty of formatting features like setting text styles, paragraph styles, which can result in attractive documents. In older days, processors like WordStar and WordPerfect were used. The most common word processor in use today is Microsoft's MS Word, with over 500 million users worldwide. So let's start with the features of a word processor. Following are the main features of word processors. First is managing files. All word processors provide facilities to create, delete, move, and search for files easily. Second one is editing features. Text in the documents can be easily copied, moved, deleted any number of times. Third feature is text and paragraph formatting. So here users can use features like bold, italic, underline, setting font styles and paragraph styles to create attractive documents. Fourth one is headers and footers. This feature allows users to add their own page numbering, title and subjects of the document, date, etc. on the top and bottom of every page. So fifth one is image and object using OLE. So MS Word use object linking and embedding technology to add images, charts and tables into the document. So another feature is organizing lists with tables and bullets. Tables with rows and columns can also be created, and long lists can be numbered using bullets or numbering. So seventh one is spell check. In every document, a lot of typographical errors are bound to happen. That can be checked using spell checking option. Next one is mail merge. So this feature merge facility allows a user to merge text from one file into another file. So last one is what you see is what you get. With what you see is what you get means whatever you see on your screen will be what you get after you have printed it. Apart from this, there are a lot of advanced features like cross-referencing, footnotes, macros, etc. So let's start with application of a word processor. There are three kinds of applications: business, education and home. Let's discuss applications of a word processor. First one is business. The uses of application within the business, home and educations are plenty. The business word typically use typing and printing letters and letterheads, creating legal copies and memos, creating reference documents for later use. Education. Schools familiarizing students with word processors application early in life. Undergraduates used to write essays and make projects. Graduate students and doctoral students use this to create documents for research and publication. So in home, Computers at homes used to letter writing, creating cards, resumes, and other types of documents. Thank you for watching this video. We will start discussing Microsoft Word in next video.